So today I'm going to talk to you about decomposition reaction. Yesterday, we saw a synthesis reaction. So in synthesis, we saw that things combine to become one product. So you have multiple reactants and you have single product. Decomposition is just the opposite of a synthesis reaction. So in a decomposition reaction, it happens when you have a single reactant breaks down into multiple products. So you can have AB becoming A plus B. In a decomposition reaction, a reactant breaks apart to form products that are greater in number but smaller in atom count. Combination and decomposition are reverse of one another. So synthesis is the opposite of decomposition. So if you see here, you have an eggshell and a tortoise that comes out of a full egg. So decomposing is breaking apart. An example from your everyday life that highlights decomposition reaction is sodium azide. So sodium azide is in airbags. So when the airbag gets inflated, it's because the sodium azide decomposing to fill it with nitrogen gas. So that the gas that fills in the airbag is actually nitrogen gas. And that's what protects you from a crash. So when we look at examples of decomposition reaction, one thing becomes really clear. It's much simpler than synthesis because in decomposition, you don't really need to use charges. All you're doing is breaking apart the product into its elements. So if you have calcium fluoride, it becomes calcium plus fluorine. If you have magnesium oxide, it becomes magnesium plus oxygen. Now let's try some reactions on our own. I'm going to get a pen so I can write. Let me grab a pen. So the first reaction gives you carbon disulfide. So that's made of carbon and it's made of sulfur. If I want to go ahead and put states of matter, carbon is a solid and sulfur is also a solid. If I want to decompose aluminum and fluorine, it decomposes into aluminum, which is a metal, so it's a solid, and fluorine is part of the Brinkelhoff, so it's F2, and we know fluorine is a gas. So that's how it gets decomposed. So I could do one more step and actually balance the reaction. So I have 2 sulfurs. Since I need 3 fluorines, I'm going to make it a 6. So this becomes a 6. And this becomes a 6. In turn, my aluminum becomes a 2. And that's how I balance it. So decomposition reaction involves breaking down the substance. So I hope this video helped you understand decomposition reactions. Just like yesterday, I'm going to set up a Google Doc with 4 questions for you to decompose and write the equation and balance. Okay, it's going to be in your science folder, so give it a try. Thank you.